nutritional supplements? How about your pet? Just as you need those extra nutrients to keep your diet in balance, so does your pet. If you're thinking about improving your pet's diet, go to www.amazon.com/nutritionstrength and check out the full lineup of Nutrition Strength supplements to find the one your pet needs. Right now, you can get up to 15% off Nutrition Strength's best-selling products. You want the best for your pet, and so does Nutrition Strength. Nutrition Strength uses only the highest quality ingredients and the best manufacturing practices to produce the highest rated nutritional supplements in fully certified U.S. facilities. Nutrition Strength supplements have received thousands of 5-star reviews from satisfied customers. Go to www.amazon.com/nutritionstrength and find the right one for your pet. Take the necessary steps to protect your pet's health today. Nutrition Strength, keeping your pets healthy and happy.
Mamá. Mamá.
我告别南半球，奔向北海道。